Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope so you are doing great. I am Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I am going to discuss about the various levels of objective type examinations, especially JEE means and MSET regarding the maths. In objective type of examinations, time is important. We have to focus the more number of questions within short time. For that, what you need? For that, we need, yes, exactly, shortcut methods. That is only I'm going to use in my videos. So that means super tips and tricks I'm using, which are mostly helpful to you. In every video, I'm going to discuss about the concept, tips and tricks, as well as previous questions, quick solutions. I'm discussing those. All those are very helpful to you. So already uploaded more and more videos. If you not yet watch my previous videos, please watch them, whose playlists are added in the description, and also some videos links can be opened by click the I button on the top corner of every video. Is it clear? I hope so you can do it. So in today's session, I'm going to start one of the quite interesting and very important topic. MSET point of view I'm discussing this is, the topic is simply vector algebra. In this I'm discussing about the additions of vectors as a part 1. To know the additions of vectors is a very important chapter. Vector algebra, throughout vector algebra, additions of vectors and product of vectors you have to concentrate. So additions of vectors also known as properties of vectors. Now we can discuss about what are the main points in this part 1. First, what is the concept? For the concept we have to know vector is a three-dimensional. It is represented as a single letter a bar. Maybe we can use 2 points with AB as a bar, maybe R also we can use. Here 2 points are there, where A is called as initial point and B is called as terminal point. And also you have to know one more most important point, that is called as position vector. Position vector means vector of a point with respect to the some initial point. Generally we can take the initial point as a origin. For example, OP is one of the vector R bar. This R is nothing but vector of a point P with respect to the initial point O. So that is called as position vector. Means simply position vector means vector of a point with respect to some initial point. Okay, like this we can think about the position vector. And if the vector A is one of the point, B is another point, what is the vector line joining the 2 points? That is AB vector. We can find out OB minus OA. Means what? Position vector of the second point means what? Terminal point minus position vector of A means initial point. In short form writing, simply B minus A. No need to write this O for our objective point of view. Time is important. That's why what is the line joining the AB is simply B minus A. That is a second point minus first point vectors. We can take the difference. That is only our line joining the AB vector. So you may give the AB 2 points. We may ask the AB or BA, what it may be. For that, it's a very important point, position vector. And also we will go the vertices of the triangle, vertices of the quadrilateral, and so on. Those are nothing but position vectors. From that we have to recognize what are our main points. In this one, concept is simply vector notation, and vector you can represent as a single letter A, maybe 2 points with the position vectors. A is initial point, B is a terminal point. What is the position vector also you have to know, and what is vector line joining the 2 points you know. And also we can concentrate on this one. Vector also we can represent as a ordered triad. Like A is one of the vector is in the form of xi plus yj plus zk, where ijk are orthogonal unit vectors. Means I is along the x-axis, this is I, this is j, this is a k. Like that we can discuss. These are the orthogonal unit vectors. Ijk are unit vectors as well as orthogonal. You know, x-axis is perpendicular to y, orthogonal means perpendicular. X is perpendicular to y is perpendicular to z is perpendicular to x-axis. Okay. So all these are I along the x-axis, j along the y-axis, k along the z-axis we can take, where ijk are what? Orthogonal unit vectors. Instead of writing xi plus yj plus zk, this is also called as linear combination of I, j, k, where x, y, z are the scalars, means any real numbers. Instead of that one, simply we can write as ordered triad as x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate, we can write simply. Instead of ijk, simply you can write as an order triad xyz. So what is its length? What is the modulus of xi plus yj plus zk? That is simply root over x square plus y square plus z square. This is modulus of a what that vector xi plus yj plus zk, where vector is a linear combination of ijk. We can take immediately sum of the squares of its scalars. These are called as scalars. One more point you have to know: how can you add the two vectors? Two or more vectors we can add additions of vectors. That is only major point here. Additions of vectors. When it is possible, simply we can understand that two vectors is in the form of like this. AB is one of the vector, BC is another vector. What you can understand these two vectors? Terminal point of first vector is same as initial point of second vector. Then you can add them in the direction AB plus BC is in the direction of AC. This is called as additions of two vectors. When the two vectors can be ready to add, when the terminal point of the first vector is same as initial point of second vector, then only we can add these two vectors. That is AB plus BC is simply AC. This is called as additions of vector concept. This is also known as additions of vectors form a triangular line. Suppose this is AB is one side, BC is the other side, then the resultant of AB plus BC in the direction of AC. This is AB plus BC. Like this, we can discuss about the additions. When the additions of two vectors is possible, these notations are also important, guys. Not only formulas in this vector algebra, notations also important. So all these points, if you know, then only it's the chapter is very easy on any examination point of view, like mains, advanced, MSET, and as well as a BITSAT. For every chapter, for every exam, concept is important. That concept may frame the different angles questions, that is exam to exam, that is only varied. But concept is same for every type of examination, right? If you know the concept, then only you can focus the questions easily with the shortcut methods. Is it clear? Right. Now we'll start the questions. The question number 1. In this question number 1, what you can discuss here? What is there here? Simply A, B, B, C, C, D, O, A. There are the four vectors are given like this. Then the position vector of D is asking. Position vector of D means what? Simply OD is asking. OD. What I said? Position vector. Position vector I said we can take the initial point as some generally O. OD to find out OE. Shall I add these? You know, we can add the OA plus, here we can start from back side. OA plus OA, then AB. OA plus AB plus BC plus CD. By adding all this, we can get the OD or not? You know, OA plus AB is a OB. OB plus BC is a OC. OC plus CD is a OD. Right? Means what? What I use here? Just simply additions of vectors concept. So indirectly, what is asking? Sum of all these. Adding directly. What are the IJKs? 1 plus 2. We can add directly. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. I'm writing in order triads. J quotient. Here J plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 2 is a 2. Next. K. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, right. Once again, K, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 will come. Yes, this is all our position vector of OD. That is what? Which option? 7 to 4 is clearly fourth option, right. Simple way you can do. No need to worry. You can take the order triad better. We can save the time by writing all those IJK, etc. Okay, said to you, how can you write the order triad? That is all I used here. And the additions of vectors concept, right? Now we can come to the next one question. We will ask the type of the triangle. The triangle formed by the points. These points are also given like IJK combination, but I have taken directly order triads. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 3 minus 5, 3 minus 4 minus 4. To find out the type of the triangle, you know, this is a triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle. To find out the type of the triangle, already I have taken, you know, order triad. Right. Simply we can find out distances. If the vertices means what? Triangle formed by the points means vertices are given. If vertices are given, we can use a AB, BC, CA distances. AB square I am taking better. Okay, what is the square distance between the 2 points? You know very well from the 3D. 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square is 1 plus minus 3 minus 1 minus plus 1 is a minus 2 whole square is a 4 plus minus 5 of minus 1 plus 6 minus 6 whole square is 36. That is 41. Then BC square. BC square distance between the B to C. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 square is a 4 plus minus 4 minus 1 minus plus 3 is minus 1 whole square is 1 plus minus 4 minus 1 minus plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is 2. 2 square is 4. Wait. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. Minus 1 minus 4 plus 1. Yes. Minus 4 plus 3 is a minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. 1 square is 1. So that is 6. Now CA square. CA square means distance between the C to A. These 2 points you have to concentrate. We can think these are the like ABCs. Okay, we can assume that ABCs, vertices. Now we can concentrate on this one. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 square is 1 plus minus 4 minus 1 minus plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 4 into minus 1 it becomes minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 whole square is 25. This is 10 plus 25 35, right? What you can understand here? Is these three are equal? No, it's not equal. We can understand that AB square is equals to BC square plus CA square. This is rough figure first of all taken. So, but by this concept, what is this is? This is from which type of triangle? Yes, it is clearly from a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means it is clearly second option. Means what right angle is, we want to draw the correct figure. Now we can draw the figure. AB is a hypotenuse. This is a figure. AB is hypotenuse, C is a right angle. Vertex at a right angle. Okay, this is rough figure. Here in case for object 2, the steps are not important. Just you have to concentrate what is the position. This is why it is right angle triangle? Yes, hypothesis square is equal side square plus side square. That is a Pythagoras principle, right? Now look at the next questions. Yes, look at the third question. What is given here? The points with position vectors of position vector PVS means position vectors 2i plus 3j plus 4k, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3 are vertices of, which is given in EAMCET 2013. Vertices of an isosceles, equilateral, right angle, isosceles you have to check. So generally what I did in for previous question, we can find out distances. By that we can check it. It is a type of the triangle. But in this example, in this question, no need to check the distances. Just you can use a one trick here. It is form an equilateral triangle only. 100% equilateral triangle. How you know this is equilateral triangle? When it is a must be an equilateral triangle. When the vertices are in the form of like 2, 3, 4 like ABC. This is A. Just like those are in cyclic order. A, B, C. This is a BCA. This is CAB. Like 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2 and 4, 2, 4, 2, 3. Such type of points form 100% what? Equilateral triangle. That trick you have to use here. Equilateral triangle means clearly second option, which is given in EAMCET 2013. You got this point? Points are in cyclic order. What are the cyclic order means? One is in the form of suppose ABC. Second is in the form of BCA. Like ABC, BCA, CAB. Then these three points form an equilateral triangle. Immediately you can use this trick. Okay, this tip we can use. That's it. Clear? No need to find out distances. And now can come to the fourth question. What is the fourth question? In triangle ABC, if G is the centroid, then GA plus GB plus GC is asking. What is the G is the centroid of the triangle of ABC. Okay. What is centroid of triangle? I use a shortcut method in case of the 3D, that one I'm using here. 3z is equals to a plus b plus c. Simply we can write 3z is equals to a plus b plus c. Otherwise, g is equal to a plus b plus c by 3 also we can use. So 3z we have a, b, c. Now we can come to our required result. What we want here? We have this thing. What we want? GA bar plus GB bar plus GC bar we want. GA we can write a minus z, just now I have given to you. How can you use a position vector? AB we can write B minus A. Second point minus first point we can use. No need to write this O, I said already. That only I used here. GA we can write A minus Z plus GB B minus Z plus GC C minus B. Okay, by adding the A, B, C is as one side, one term, as a one bracket I'm writing. Minus, G minus C minus Z. Minus Z minus Z minus Z minus 3Z. Right. What is A plus B plus C? Already have. A plus B plus C have 3Z. 3Z minus 3Z how much? Is equals to 0. Now we can understand here by the options. First option is 0 is there, second option is AB bar is there, third option is 0 bar is there, fourth option is BA bar is there. Which is correct one? This is a GA plus GB plus GC is a sum of the vectors. Sum of the vectors is a one of the vector. Means here we have to use 0 bar. Okay, that is correct option. 0 bar in the sense null vector. If you write the 0 like this, that is called a scalar. So sum of the vectors is one of the vector, that is called a 0 bar. Therefore, which option is correct one? It is clearly third option. Don't pick up the first option. Okay, because of this is sum of the vectors, right? That's it. Look at the question number 5. What is given here? Let AB be the 2 points and centroid of triangle ABC. This is means our 2 vertices of the triangle is given. 2 vertices of triangle are given and one centroid is given. Then position vector of the C means what we want in a triangle ABC. 2 points are given, one centroid is given, and we have to find out one more vertex. You know that clearly triangle ABC has 3 vertices. We want the third vertex. Simply what is the given tip here? 3z is equals to a plus b plus c. We have to use 3z product of g with 3, that is 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3 minus 3. Okay, is equals to right side. A plus b, sum of AB addition 2 plus 4 6 and 4 plus 5 9 minus 1 plus 1 is 0 plus C. Okay, we want C means what you can take, this is left side, that is 9 15 minus 3 with minus of 6 9 0 is a C. Now what is this difference? 9 minus 6 is a 3, right? 3 is there, which option? In 3 options it is there. Now 15 minus 9 is 6, 3 6, yes, 3 6 is there only in the fourth option. That's it. Remaining minus 3 minus 0 is also minus 3. That is only point C. In fraction of second we can get the solutions if we know the concept as well as simple tips. Right. Now we can come to the next question. Here what is given? A, B, C, 3 points are given. Then the ratio in which C divides AB internally. We want C divides AB internally. Okay, for this I am using the ratio. Ratio we want. Required ratio we can collect like this. C divides AB. That's it. This is the ratio already. This shortcut trick have given in 3-dimensional. What is simply you can take this is point C as a point some xyz. C point coordinates you can take some xyz. A points coordinates you can take some x1 y1 z1. B points coordinates you can take x2 y2 z2. For this you have to use simply for ratio. We can use either any xyz, any ratio, means what? Any coordinates we can use. Here I am using the minus of x minus x1 by x minus x2. Same tip I used in 3D also. Already uploaded 3D videos. You can watch it. So in place of the x minus x1, x minus x2, we can use a y coordinate, z coordinates also. Which point divides that point coordinates you can take x, y, z. Line joining which points that is taken as first one is x1, y1, z1, second one is x2, y2, z2. From that you can find out required ratio. In 2-dimensional also same concept you can use, and 3-dimensional vectors also same concept you can use. Okay, what is answer? 1:4. It is clearly first option. That's it. Right? Look at the 7th question. In previous question, what is the ratio the one of the point divides line joining the 2 points? He asked. But in this question, what he is asking, we can understand here. First sentence. If A, B are position vectors of A and B points respectively. You know, A bar, B bar are position vectors of A, B. And PQ divides AB in the ratio AB internally and externally in the ratio 1:2. Means what? Simply this is a line, suppose AB line. Okay, P divides in the ratio 1:2 internally, Q divides externally. Ratio is same only. Ratio is, what is the ratio here? 1:2. But P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 internally, Q divides externally. That is meaning of the statement. Finally, we want PQ vector. Line joining the vector PQ. Means we have to find out PQ point first. You know, this is also already used in previous 3D geometry. So simply we have to use point to find out the P point. We can use just a cross multiplication method, like 1 into this is B vector, B bar. This is A vector is A bar. So P we can write 1 into B bar plus 2 into A bar 2A bar by 1 plus 2 can use for internal case. Therefore, this is B plus 2A by 3. Can you guess externally? Q divides external. Same way we can use 1 into B, 2 into A, but in case of external we can use a minus in between. In between minus we can use. And that is minus B minus 2A by 1 plus 2 instead of 1 minus 2 we can take, right? B minus 2A by 1 minus 2 is a minus 1. This is also we can write by multiplying with minus 2A minus B, right? You know, P point, Q point. We want the PQ vector. Means what? Q minus P. That's it. We have to subtract Q, P from the Q. What is that? Q here? 2A minus B with the minus of P is a B plus 2A by 3. Right. Now take the LCM is a 3 to 6A. 6A minus 3B minus B plus minus of minus 2A. This is minus 2A by 3 LCM. 6 minus 2A is 4A. 4A minus minus 3B minus B is minus 4B by 3. Right? Take the 4 is common. This becomes 4 by 3 times of B. 4 by 3 times of A minus B. 4 by 3 times of A minus B. Yes, 4 by 3 of A bar minus B bar is which option? 4 by 3 of A bar minus B bar is clearly 4th option. Is it okay? So, these are the questions in part 1 what I am discussing. Those are concept based questions as well as what you know the general points, but those are also important in case of MCET. Those are I am using here. So, nothing is new, but you have to know the concept, you have to apply it, what are the super tips and tricks I am giving. So, you have to use it, definitely can come across the questions easily. Right. So, now we will move for the next questions, right. So, in my videos, if you observe that, I am explaining the concept, tips and tricks including the previous. Suppose in case of MCET, mains, if both are there, both are I am referring, depends upon those points what I has given. So, those are very, very helpful to you. So, I won't discuss only few questions, then you can do it like that. I am explaining what is important, see, concept, tips and tricks along with the previous also. That is only special in my channel, right, compared to other channels. Okay, right. Come to the question number 8, which is given MCET 2019. Same model question what I discussed in previous question. Same model, what is the difference here and there, you can understand now. First of all, what is given? Let the position vectors of points A and B. Yes, position vectors of points A, B are given. If the points P and Q divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally and externally. Okay. So ratio is 1:3 is given, and P divides internally, Q divides externally is given. Here is asking the 3 AB vector under modulus is asking, related to under modulus of PQ is what? Okay, means we have to find out first PQ points like previous question, then we can collect the relation between the AB vector to PQ vector under modulus. Oh, it is so simple. Okay, first of all you can concentrate on P. What is given here? This is A, you can think. This is A position vector, this is the B. Okay, so what is the ratio? 1:3 is the ratio. What is the P point is? 1 into B means B plus 3 into A, 3A by 1 plus 3. Internally has given, that's why. So 1B into B plus 3A. 1 into B plus 3 into A by 1 plus 3. 1 into B. B is multiplied with 1 means what it is? A minus 2B plus 3C with plus 3A. A is multiplied with 3 means 3A plus 3B plus 3C, right? By 1 plus 3 is a 4. First we can find out B point. Now this is a, sorry, we can find out P point. P is what now? You know, A plus 3A, 4A, right? And 3B minus 2B is a plus B, plus 3 plus 3 is 6C by 4. This is a P point. Similarly, you can find out Q point. How can you find out Q point? Yes, instead of this is plus, we can use minus because he is given that externally. That is B minus 3A by 1 minus 3 we have to use. Okay, right now what is this answer? B minus 3A. B is A minus 2B plus 3C. Okay, with minus 3A means what? 3A plus 3B plus 3C, right? By 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. Now we can take its simplification. A minus 3A is minus 2A, minus 2B minus 3B minus 5B minus 5B, and plus 3C plus 3C gets cancelled by minus 2. Okay, 1 minus is cancelled here, 2A plus 5B. We can use the bars by 2. Okay, this is a Q point. You know Q point, you know the P point. Now we can collect the AB vector. AB vector. What is AB vector? Is a B minus A or not? AB is a B minus A. Okay. What is a B minus A? Difference of B and A. A minus A gets cancelled, 0. Minus 2B minus B minus 3B, right? And plus 3C minus C is a plus 2C, right? But in the mod AB means we can take under modulus minus becomes plus. It is 3B minus 2C we can write. This is a mod AB. You know, don't use here root over 3 square plus 2 square. Don't use that is because of these are BC are not unit vectors. In case of IJK only you can use that is. Just you can leave like this only. Now we can concentrate on PQ. You know, options are there in PQ. What is a PQ? Yes, you know very well. PQ means what? Q minus P. We can take the subtraction of Q minus P. What is a Q? 2A plus 5B by 2 minus P is a minus of 4A plus B plus 6C by 4. Okay. That is a resultant we can understand here. What is the resultant? 4 is LCM means here 2 into 2, 4A. Okay. 2 into 2, 4A. Then 2 into 5, 2 5 is 10B. Right. With minus here 4A minus B minus 6C by 4. Right. What is the difference here? 4A plus 4A cancel. 10B minus B is a 9B. Right? This is a 9B and minus 6c. C term here only is there, minus 6c by 4. 1, 2 is a cancel here, 3 we can take out. 3 by 4 of 3 3s, 3 2s, right? We can understand that what is there here. PQ is a 3 by 4 of 3b minus 2c. What is 3b minus 3? So under modulus if you use now. Last I am using modulus. You know modulus of 3b minus 2c. 3b minus 2c is a AB or not? In place of this one you can write AB. Means what? Mod PQ is equal 3 by 4 times of AB. Right? I am writing here. Better. Are you following or not? Okay, try to understand what I am doing here. So PQ is equals to 3 by 4 of AB. Okay, PQ is equals to mod PQ is equals to 3 by 4 of AB. What we want? 3AB. We want 3AB. 3AB means what? Take the cross multiplication. 3 mod AB is equals to 4 mod PQ. That's it. Okay, here I just in place of this one, I did written here. I think she followed well. Okay, simple concept. Just you have to collect here additionally relation between the mod PQ and mod AB. That too 3 mod AB is asking. 3 mod AB is equals to 4 mod PQ. That is which option? It is clearly fourth option. That's it. Is it clear now? So this is given in EAMCET 2019 recent only it is given. So no need to worry about the final examination. You may frame the questions in any angle, but you have to know the syllabus and you have to know the complete concept. That is important. And also you have to minimize the steps to get the solutions quickly, and you have to use tips and tricks. That is all I am using in my channel. Is it clear? Now can come forward some more questions. Let's look at the next question number 9. What is asking? If the vectors 2i plus aj plus k and minus 5i plus 3j plus bk are collinear, then AB values, you know, some unknown values A and B are there. We have to find out this. For this simply only 2 seconds time. That's it. Okay, how we can use, you know, it's very well, very important in subjective point of also, subjective point of view also. If these two vectors are collinear is also known as parallel vectors. In that case, suppose you can think this is A1, A2, A3. This is a B1, B2, B3. Just we can use what? Simply ratio of the similar coefficients of ijk are equal. That is 2 by minus 5, A by 3, 1 by B. So we can equate these two. 3 is taking the left side, 3 to 6 with the minus 6 by 5. For B we have to use these two only. So by taking the B is this side, 2 by 5 comes here, minus 5 by 2. That's it. AB or minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 2, clearly which option? Yes, it is a second option. You got this point? A1 by B1 is equals to A2 by B2 is equals to A3 by B3. Okay. That is only depends upon our assumption, right? So now come to the question number 10. What is asking? If 2a bar plus lambda minus 1 of b bar plus 7c bar is equal to 0 bar, this is one of the equation is given is a linear combination of ABC, and also given that ABC are collinear, then this lambda value we want. This, you know, some unknown value of lambda is there, unknown term lambda is there. We have to find out that lambda value. For this only 1 second. That's it. Lambda value can get it as minus 4. That is clearly second option. How it is, simply one concept is there in case of collinear or linear combination of like ABC as an equation like this. We can think this is LA bar plus MB bar plus NC bar, where ABC are collinear. Immediately can take L plus M plus N is equals to 0. Is it clear? When the ABC are linear combination like this as a equation form, here L, M, N are multiples of ABC, means those are called as scalars. When the ABC vectors are equal, then the sum of the scalars must be 0. That concept is important. That is all I used here. That point I used. What is according to that one? 2 plus lambda minus 5 plus 7. From this we can find out lambda value is minus 4. That's it. This is a second option. These are points we have to use because these are the very simple tips and tricks. We have to do the practice, then only can follow it easily. Maths is so easy subject, so beautiful subject. Just you have to concentrate. What are the various content, concept, tips and tricks? Simply you have to involve more and more, and you have to do the practice. In case of objective type questions or different types of questions, he may frame very simple questions, difficult questions also, and one question may frame in different angles. So you have to focus easily. There is no difficult letter. Just you have to involve. That is the most important. So I hope so this part is very helpful to you. In this vector part 1, I discussed about what is the concept of vectors, representation, and the position vector, like additions of vectors, and what are the other content I discussed in this video along with the previous MSET questions also. So in next video I will come with some more content on the same additions of vectors as a part 2. Please watch that video also. And if you not yet watched my previous videos, already said to you whose playlists are added in the description, you can add it. So whatever may be your requirement, whatever may be your doubt, put a comment. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. Is it clear? Now I conclude this videos here. I come with a new topic in another video with new energy. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.